What's up, YouTube? Back at it again. Bucky Kicks. Today we got a new Nike clearance unboxing that I just picked up for $110 shipped. Retail price was $160, so about 60 bucks off. You can see your nice glossy 31 box. Your tagging, Air Jordan 31 low, size 10.5. I recommend going down half a size in 31s as they run a little big. Take this off. Nice inside out Nike box, just like the ones you guys already know. Coming at you with the Air Jordan Wings logo, 31 on your paper, right here. First time seeing these. Let's do it together. Woo! Fire. This is the Chicago Away colorway in the low top variation with that chrome hit. All red outsole. Nice leather on these, actually. The leather quality is it's pretty soft. It's not shattered backboard, none of that, but you know, for a 31 low, it's pretty nice. Just looking at flaws, maybe, you know, GRs, but this pair looks to be nice. Nice gym red and team red little gradient right there, kind of nice. It's your chrome lace tips on there. See if my camera can pick it up. Not really, but you got a chrome insole in there. Like I said before, this is the Chicago Away chrome colorway. I have two other pairs of 31s, including the high top Chicago, which is boom, right here. This pair I do like more than the low, just for the minor details, as in the shy right here, on the inside of the tongue. Look at that outsole. That outsole with the Chicago skyline. Really nice detail there. Love it. And I don't know, I'm a fan of the white toe cap on these as well. Pretty nice shoe in my opinion. Going back to shoes that we did just get though. These are nice, man. The leather quality is really nice. Craftsmanship's good on my pair. And for $100 shipped, well, can't go wrong. I'm happy I'll be adding this to the collection. This will be my third pair of 31s. If you guys like the new pickup videos, let me know in the comment section below. If you want more in-depth, if you want to see what's up, just let me know. Alright, let me get on out of here. Till next time, Bucky Kicks 23. Like, comment, subscribe. Later.